Hello, I'm Kaye Bewley from visualisation.com. You're about to listen to Bill Geringswald, Visualising a Perfect Future World. This is an idea he's put together from his book, Infinite Possibilities, A Spiritual Awakening.
Visualize flying over the United States from 200 miles in space. The year is 2050. Looking down, you experience the beauty of a magnificent globe. You see numerous communities with a population base of 50 to 100,000 homes, surrounded with symmetrically designed support services. The paved strips of the nation's highway systems support a monorail interlocked with high-speed rail. The medians of the interstate systems now house underground fiber optic utility lines and aqueducts for water supply. The larger cities form a visual mosaic, a patchwork quilt of harmonious consistency. From what you see in front of you, you sense that utmost consideration has been given to protecting the natural habitat, the trees, the wetlands, and the marshes. Each community now has fresh water, developing numerous cottage industries. Farming methods and residential abuses were now altered, with the use of pesticides, herbicides, and other man-made poisons minimalized and eventually discontinued. The waterways are now clean enough to swim in throughout this entire planet, providing any outdoor activity that any human would ever desire. Because of a spiritual reawakening 30 years ago, all numerous religious practitioners now combine their philosophies to bridge the gaps of interpretive differences. Human pain and despondency are single focus for correction, with the understanding that each society is only as strong as its weakest member. The cause and effect of human misery and historic divisions are addressed with common cause, incorporating love for all humankind. Throughout the nation's communities and eventually worldwide, personnel from the private sector work with local high schools, colleges, universities, and vocational institutions to educate, train, and retrain people. All public governmental departments, religious organizations, and nonprofit sector are now constantly providing a vision addressing each community's social needs. An electronically linked complex now acts as an information clearinghouse, poised for the utilization of man's thoughts and idea making. The inner spirit in human life are being renewed in this transformation, with self-esteem replacing human despondency. In our higher dynamic, we are what we think, permit, and consciously imagine. We can change this world anytime we choose. Now kick back, fix yourself a drink, and get emotionally comfortable.
You've just been listening to Bill Geringswald reading from his book, Infinite Possibilities. This is Kaye Bewley from visualisation.com.